Vlogmas day number 11. I'm here with I'm talking quick dinner. I did not want to turn on the oven or the stove, so I looked in my fridge, saw some leftovers, and said, voila, dinner is served. Of course, my tuna recipe is on the channel. I'll make sure to link it in the description box below, and you'll see it at the end of today's short, quick video. So drop it down in the comment section below. What's your go-to quick meal when you just don't feel like cooking, but you need to eat? Just like that, my healthy dinner option is complete and it's mom approved. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for Vlogmas 2025. And as always, please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a kind comment below. And if you're new here, by all means, come on and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. See you tomorrow or the day after. Well, anyway, you'll see me soon.